Welcome back to my channel, Math Brain. Really interesting challenge today, very tricky challenge, 3 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 3. Maybe this is challenge you've ever seen. We have only division, multiplication, so everyone learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, so that's fantastic. Right here we have 3 options, A, B and C, so choose one option. What do you think is a correct answer to this challenge, and write your option down into the comment section. It will be really interesting to check our answers in the end of the video. So right now let's try to solve it. First of all, we have our question, and let's rewrite this challenge right here. So we have 3 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 3. Okay, and one part of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, we have division right here and we have division right here. So this division gives us 1 and this division gives us 1 as well. So with this multiplication in the middle, because we have multiplication in the middle, it gives us a result of 1. So one part of students tell that correct answer is option A. But in math, we should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because obviously whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. So this is our randomly method, but in this second interpretation, I want you to look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphing calculator works according to this PEMDAS order of operation. This PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom, so the first step is parentheses, which has the highest priority. Next we have exponent, next we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step addition and subtraction group. Okay, so in this second interpretation, let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge, and let's solve this question according to PEMDAS order of operation. So we have 3 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 3. Okay, so what elements do we have in our challenge? We have division, we have multiplication only. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have addition sign, and we don't have subtraction sign. So we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we have only multiplication, we have only division, and we don't have addition, we don't have subtraction. And what is the correct order to do this problem? Because as I told before, we just solved this question randomly right here, but according to PEMDAS order of operation, we should scan what is the first sign from left to right, because all the time we have division multiplication group, which had the same priority. So multiplication division sign had the same priority, so right now we should scan what is the first sign from left to right. The first sign from left to right is this division, so we should start from this division. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Okay, so we have 1, we have times 3 divided by 3, and I want to mention that right here we just rewrite this expression, but before we divide it on the right hand side, and right now we rewrite it right here. And right now if we scan what is the first sign from left to right, in this second interpretation, the second step is going to be multiplication. So 1 times 3 gives us 3, and with this division by 3 we have 1, and this is a very tricky moment because a lot of students confused about this solution. They say that how it happened that we have 2 different solutions and 1 answer. It happens sometimes in terms of math, but you should choose what is the correct solution, this first interpretation or this second interpretation. And if you look closely to this first interpretation, we have division, and we have division on the right hand side. Yeah, division right here, division by right here, and as I told before, multiplication division have the same priority, and right here we just jump from left to right, which is really bad thing in terms of math, because you should put brackets. If you want to jump, if you want to get the division to get the higher priority, you should put parentheses. Okay, so division first in parentheses right here gives us 1, division right here gives us 1, and with this multiplication we have 1 option A. So with parentheses, this is a great solution and a correct answer. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so this is a bad solution. Okay, so let's look at our second interpretation. We just solved this question according to PEMDAS order of operation. So the first step, division, multiplication, division, this is a correct solution, and this is a correct answer to this challenge. But I want you to look at this third interpretation. For example, let's look at this division by 3 and multiplication by 3. It changed nothing because we just divide by 3 and multiply by 3. We can easily cancel these two values in the middle, because it looks like plus 5 minus 5 plus 10 minus 10. It changed nothing, so we can easily cancel this, and as a result we have 3 divided by 3, which gives us 1, which is absolutely correct answer. So let's write our solution, let's write our answer. Our correct solution is second interpretation, and our correct answer is option A. I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, see you in the next videos and have a great day.